What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have the HDMI converter. Okay, let's see what is this about. Let's open it right here. I bought this because my Lumix G7 camera does not have the audio jack, so I bought this so I can listen to my audio while I'm recording. Okay, we have this cable. Okay, this is the actual converter. We have the audio right here, so you can see I can listen to the audio. We have the regular HDMI, and we have in the back the VGA connector. And I got this other cable so I can connect it to the camera. This is the micro HDMI, the one that I'm going to connect to my camera. And in here we have the HDMI out, so I can connect this HDMI converter. There you go. Then I connect this to the camera, and I can connect here the headphones or earphones so I can listen to the audio. Nice piece. There you have it, guys, the HDMI converter. I'll see you later, guys. Don't forget to subscribe or like this video.